The 2010 Hyundai Sonata. The Sonata has a long list of technologically advanced interior features and options that make driving safer, more convenient, and much more fun. Don't forget the exterior corrosion protection, a 14-step roto-dip system that provides unmatched protection for your Sonata and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, XM satellite radio, power steering, front air conditioning, cruise control, front wheel drive, rear defrost, center armrest, AM/FM stereo radio. Come take a test drive today.